Have you ever wondered how our cells produce energy? To understand this, we need to dive into the fascinating world of the electron transport chain. Imagine a bustling city, with people and vehicles moving in an orderly manner. This is somewhat similar to the inner workings of our cells, where a series of proteins, known as electron carriers, work in harmony. These electron carriers reside in the inner membrane of a mitochondrion, specifically in the cristae. They are arranged close to each other, allowing electrons to seamlessly move from one carrier to the next along the chain. Each carrier experiences two phases: reduction, where an electron is added, and oxidation, where the electron is passed on. These reactions are known as redox reactions. Now, where do these electrons come from? They are brought by reduced NAD and reduced Fad, which are produced in processes known as glycolysis and the Krebs cycle. Reduced NAD, formed in the cytoplasm, passes through the mitochondrial envelope and enters the protein channel for hydrogen ions. In the inner membrane, these hydrogen carriers are stripped of their cargo. Each hydrogen atom, composed of a proton and an electron, split apart. The electron, now separated, transfers to the first in the series of electron carriers. This electron has energy, originally sourced from the chemical potential energy in a glucose molecule. As the electron moves from one carrier to the next, some of its energy is released. This energy is cleverly used to actively move protons from the matrix of the mitochondrion into the space between the inner and outer membranes of the mitochondrial envelope. This action creates a higher concentration of protons in the intermembrane space than in the matrix, setting up a concentration gradient for protons across the inner mitochondrial membrane. Finally, protons pass back into the mitochondrial matrix by facilitated diffusion, moving passively down their concentration gradient through protein channels in the inner membrane. To summarize, the electron transport chain is a crucial component in the production of energy in our cells. It involves a series of redox reactions, facilitated by electron carriers in the mitochondrion's inner membrane. The energy from electrons, sourced from glucose molecules, is used to create a proton gradient, which drives the production of energy. It's a beautifully orchestrated process that keeps our cells, and ultimately us, alive and functioning. Isn't it fascinating to think about the intricate processes happening within us at this very moment? It's a testament to the marvels of biology and the complex yet harmonious workings of life.